Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a mouth-watering native spaghetti. Yeah. To make this spaghetti, we'll be needing some ingredients. We'll need our spaghetti, chicken, smoked fish, fresh tomato, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, your onions, your palm oil, your dry fish, a whole food chicken. I am using whole food chicken for this recipe. You have your garlic, you have your ginger, I have my spices, I have my native spice, which I'll be using. I love golden penny spaghetti, and I love the kind of pepperish kind of native spaghetti is to make it more delicious. The spicy one, not too spicy, but spicy like native and local spice. That is how I source my own kind of spice used for this my native spaghetti. I use local chicken as well because it's a local spaghetti, so we use local chicken. Into a pot, boiling water, you going on with your spaghetti. I cut mine to my desired shape, the one I want, depending on what you want. You can leave it as long as you want it, and you can cut it as short as you want it. I love mine not too long, not too short, just medium. The next thing I'll be doing, I'll be cutting my chicken. That's a butchering chicken. Call it my desired shape. I'm doing cut 8 on this chicken. Chicken is kind of big and it's kind of hard to because it's local chicken. So I cut it as my desired shape. You can see how I cut this chicken. You can like also, you if you know you don't have time for all this, you can allow them in the market to cut it for you where you are bought the chicken. But mine, I say I want to do everything by myself because I want a particular size of the chicken. I don't want any mistake from anybody because I just want to give my family treat that on weekend I've been Saturday. They are not expecting this, or as I was filming this, they are still sleeping on bed. Yes, that's it. But it's around 9 a.m. in the morning. I don't know what's happened that they are still sleeping by that time. But I just have to get up because I have it in mind that I want to give my family treat, family food. I wanted to eat something that for long I've not made it. Usually I bake it with just my dry fish, but this time around I'm adding some spice and also some things that I've not been using like green bell pepper. I've not tried it in my native spaghetti before, and special spices I've not tried it before in my on my native spaghetti recipe. But today I'm trying new thing. I want to experiment and see how it's come out. I tell you, it came out very delicious. Yeah, so at this time my spaghetti has already half cooked already, not done yet, but half cooked. This how I want my spaghetti because it will still go another process of cooking later. Into a bowl, I add my chicken. When I season it to my desired, I add my mixed spicy, and then I add my seasoning cube. Depends on what you want, but I like it to be juicy because I'm making native spaghetti, so everything has to be spicy and juicy. Yes, then next up adding my curry. I add this just all add this time. I added my onion, then a little bit of water just to steam the meat and cook it uh to tender. Depends on how you want it. Yeah, then I cover it, and the next thing I'll be going in is my tomato and also my fish. I added hot water to wash my fish. Yes, that is the side. Then my tomato, then I added my bowl to a bowl, then add some water. The next thing I'll be going in is my red bell pepper with a starter seed. Then I remove the seed. I seed it. Is that should I say the seed? I remove the seed inside because the seed makes it bitter. If you not remove it, it make your stew bitter. In case you have made your stew with red bell pepper and you find out that it's kind of bitter, no, you are the cause. Try to remove the seed from inside the because even though it's shombo you're using, try to remove the seed. Very important. If not, your stew will be kind of bitter and it kill every ingredient you use in cooking it, and you will not love it. Then I wash the next time I'll be going in with my scotch bonnet pepper, and you can see a lot of it. It's not too hot. You see it's a whole lot, but it's not too hot. It's just mind. It's not too hot. It's not too spicy. Unlike other, then the next thing I'll be doing is to get my food processor and then transfer those mixed pepper and tomato into it. Add my onion, I added my garlic, added my ginger, then you blend. It will give you a rough texture depending on how you want it. I don't like my too soft, just a rough texture. That's why I use my food processor instead of using blender. Blender blend too smooth. Then the next I'll be doing is to air fry my chicken. I not fry it on oil. I use my air fryer to do the frying. So I transfer the chicken to my air fryer to fry the chicken for me, which I prefer because I don't have that strength. I also reduce the cost of cooking and also the time of cooking. Instead of frying on different oil, I just transfer it to my air fryer, then I fry. I choose the fry button, and it does a very wonderful work. And this is a must have at home if you know you want to reduce the consumption of oil. You need your air fryer. Then after that, then on to the next level, I added some red oil to my pot. Then I go in with my onion. Then I stir fry. Then I like to cook to fry for some minutes. Then I'll be going on with my tomato and pepper mix. I go in with my tomato and pepper mix. Then I fry for some time. I went back to my chicken. It's already fried already. It's already fried already. You can see the color of it. Then I added some fried sauce into it to just give it some um juicy kind of. Then I came back to my stew that I'm frying for my spaghetti. Then adding some seasoning cube. Ensure that you break your seasoning cube so you don't have to eat a whole cube into your food because these cubes sometimes they are so hard. Then at this point, I added my crayfish. Yeah, crayfish is needed. Added some smith spice already. That smith spice contain a lot of some local herbs. Yes, I set together. Then I go in with my meat stock that I got from my chicken. Then I debone my fish. Then I go in with my smoked fish bone. Then I boil for some time. I like to cook boil for some minutes. I added some salt depending on this test. Then test and add salt. Then the next thing I'll be going in is my pepper soup spice. Have you ever tried pepper soup spice in your native spaghetti? Try it. You thank me later. I like to boil for some minutes. Then the next thing you'll be going in with, ensure that you test for test if it's test is okay. Then go in with your spaghetti. Just go in with your spag. Then stir. The way I'm staring this as if I'm lost. In fact, you need to just stare, let everything incorporate inside. Then it's the look. Then next thing I added my onion spring. Then I go in with that green bell pepper. This is another flavorful ingredient you need in your native spaghetti. Then I cover it. Then the next thing, my native spaghetti is ready. I added some, you can see some people I added some dry scent leaf, just a little, that depends. I just add a small scent leaf, little. It's another flavor again. You'll be confused as you can't even like, what am I even like this? Eating spaghetti or am I eating protocol? And you just like it tastes heavily. Then I tapped mine, then I added my chicken. Then I also serve mine with some veggies, that's lettuce. I love lettuce, so it goes well with my spaghetti, be it native or just tomato based spaghetti. Let me know if you be trying this my delicacy, this my special native spaghetti. See you on the next video. Thank you.